Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Keap Campaigns for CRM Funnel Setup detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Keap account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns section in the main menu. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new campaign. In the Campaign Setup window, enter a name for your campaign. Select the type of campaign. Opt for a subscription-based format. Now, define your campaign goal, like increasing sales or capturing leads. Add a new sequence by dragging the sequence icon into the campaign canvas. Connect the sequence to the start point, typically the form submission or tag application. Within the sequence, you can add steps such as emails, tasks, or text messages. Click on the email step to configure the content of your email. Enter a subject line and body content for the message. Ensure to personalize the email with custom fields, if applicable. After setting up your email, specify when it should be sent relative to the trigger. Navigate to the Forms section and click on Create Form. Choose the type of form suitable for your campaign goal. Customize the form fields to collect necessary information, such as name and email. Once your form is created, connect it back to your campaign. Return to the campaign canvas and click on the Form Submission step. Assign your newly created form to this step. Set up any additional actions you want to occur after the form is submitted. Save your campaign to ensure all changes are captured. Review your campaign for accuracy, checking all emails and flows. Once confirmed, activate your campaign by clicking on the Activate button. Test the entire funnel to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.